guys, welcome back to an all new episode. Complex Con here, checking out the GIISSMO 14-2 5E01 USB docking station. Now, if you're like me and you have a lot of different things attached to your computer, having a docking station is very important, but which is the correct docking station is best for you. Now, this one here is mainly unique because you can go ahead and connect two monitors directly to it, which is actually pretty darn cool. Now, in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it as well as trying it out and seeing exactly how it plays out. So if you guys wanted your very own, check out the link down below in the description. And I'm super excited to announce that GIISSMO has agreed to give away a free GIISSMO 14-2 to one of our viewers. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you happen to be the winner, be sure to go ahead and post it up on Instagram and tag them at GIISSMO Official. Now, if you don't win, you can always get 20% off by using a special discount code. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So it kind of gives you like a little blueprint version of what it shows here. So it's like this docking station, it's a 14-2. As you kind of rotate it about, it talks about a little more in terms of the details. So one, you get the USB-C port, which is a 10 gigabytes per second. So that's super duper fast. You get two hosts, so you can go and have two monitors connected to it. You get a PD port, you get an SD and a TF card reader, which is great. You get a headphone jack, you get an RJ45 for you retro people out there, and your two HDMI ports, two USB 2.0, two USB 3.0s, sorry, three USB 3.0s, and of course a USB 10 gigabytes per second. So a lot of different things going on in here. All right, so it says docking accessory box. Get a user manual. So pretty simple stuff. So this is everything that you get. So you get your product and manual, you get a docking accessory box, which is essentially this cable right here. So this here is our docking station, and I have to say they did a great job with it. It's pretty nice and small and compact in size, and it's made out of great quality material. You got this nice metallic finish with these soft edges, and then it's even got this little level here to kind of vent through it, as well as these rubber stoppers. Now, looking at it from a general standpoint, you have your independent switch here, allowing you to go ahead and simply turn it on and turn it off with ease. You have an SD card port, a micro SD card port. You have an aux cable port, so you can go ahead and directly plug in your headphones into it. You have two USB-C as well as a USB-A 10 gigabytes per second port, so this will allow you to go have fast data transfer between your devices, and then of course a USB-A 5 gigabyte port too. Now, as you kind of rotate it about, you'll notice that there's a host 1 and host 2 that's where this cable comes into play. So this will go and directly plug into here, and this will plug into your MacBook, allowing you to go ahead and control it and connect to it, using it very seamlessly. Now, looking at this, you do have two USB 2.0 ports as well as two USB 3.0 ports, allowing you to connect different devices such as keyboards, mouses, USB ports, etc. And then you have your two HDMI 1s and 2. So when you do plug this in directly through your MacBook, you can use it as a multi-screen display. Now, over here is an Ethernet port, so you can also connect to it that way. And then of course you do get a PD port. So if you happen to be using the ports on your MacBook, you can charge your MacBook by directly plugging it into here. So how cool is that? So overall, it's a great functionality, and this here being an independent use where you can simply press the button on and off makes a great product to use. But with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.